Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to open the April Petit Vour box. But before we get into that, I am barely wearing any makeup today. I have to go to the gynecologist today. To be quite frank, even beyond that, the energy and the vibes feel way off today for me anyway. So a full face, it was not happening. I know I have lots of stuff that has come in my recent boxes to show you guys, but I just couldn't. So I put the Lovebird tinted lip balm in Smooch on my lips and then just dabbed it on my cheeks and rubbed it out a little. So this one, so much better than the one that came in the box this month with that weird creamy color. So strange. So yeah, I love that product. But let's go ahead and get into the box. So here's our card this month, and it's just got like a little bit of writing. What does it say? Oh, I was holding it upside down. It says dream, create, inspire, with a little bit of graphic on the corners. It looks like we're getting 4 products, so let's just go ahead and dig right in. The first one on top of the box here is from Suntegrity. It's the Moisturizing Mineral Face Sunscreen and Primer. I can't remember if we've had this before, but to be honest, very excited to get a sunscreen going into spring and summer. This is the perfect size to take with me for a weekend at the beach, which we have several plans since Austin's mother lives at the beach. So this is pretty cool. And yeah, I'll definitely be getting use out of that. The description says this is a $5 value for 0.25 ounces. A non-greasy mineral sunscreen that offers broad spectrum protection against damaging UVA and UVB rays, and functions as a face moisturizer, sunscreen, and makeup primer all in one. Now I'm going to use it just as a sunscreen. Realistically, I have my favorite moisturizer I'm going to be using, and if I'm taking it to the beach with me, I'm probably just not even wearing makeup, so I'll be using it as sunscreen. I wouldn't recommend using it as your moisturizer anyway, but very excited to give that a try. The next item we have is from Earth Harbor. This is their Cloud Burst Balancing Gel Hydrator. And it says it has marine probiotics and herbal complex. So here's what that looks like. Let's take it out and take a look, because as we all know, these Earth Harbor products always have a fun color to them, and that is a very beautiful color. Let's read the description. It says this is a $28 value for 2 ounces. A burst of hydration as light as a cloud, this gel hydrator drenches skin in long-lasting moisture and clarifying botanicals that optimally preps skin's microbiome for the day ahead. Now, Earth Harbor does tend to use a lot of fragrant oils, so I'm going to go ahead and read the ingredient list, and we'll be right back. I'm pleased to report back that although there are plenty of extracts, there don't seem to be any fragrant oils, so that's pretty cool. I'll definitely be giving this a try. The next item we have is from Juice Beauty, which you guys know I'm not wild about Juice Beauty, but I always give their items a try. This is the Green Apple Cleansing Bar. So I don't know if it's for face or body. Let's read the description and see if that provides more information. This is a $3 value for 2 ounces. Happy to see this has an appropriate valuation. So it says, renew, revitalize, and soften your skin with this cleansing bar made with organic olive oil, coconut oil, and a blend of apple, lemon, and aloe juices, infused with bright citrus notes to leave the skin refreshed and glowing. So it doesn't really say whether this is for face or for body. Let me read the box a little more and see what it says. Okay, so the box indicates it's for all over the body, which, seeing that it has that lemon oil in it, I'm very happy to hear. I don't know how I feel about putting the lemon close to my eyes, so I'll definitely be using this. I will always use a bar of soap. Even though they're not my preference, I prefer a body wash, I will certainly use it because I have it. Now, the next item, I feel like, was I supposed to get 2 of these? Did everyone get 2 of these? I always feel like they send 1 when it comes to a color item, but I got the K-Boss Shine 1 stick in Metallic Sunrise and Sparkling Rose. So here's what those look like if my camera would focus. So let's take them out and look at the colors. So there are the color indicators on the bottom. They are in plastic, which is kind of a pain in the butt. So I will take that off after we read the description. So it says the K-Gloss Shine On Stick is a $28 value. A buildable and blendable cream highlighter stick with an iridescent finish that glides on easily for on-the-go glow. This creamy formula adds a gentle glow to the skin that leaves a gorgeously subtle shine with one swipe while delivering lit from within luminosity for a marvelous no makeup look. I want to say I've had one of these before, but I don't remember off the top of my head. I'm going to go ahead and get the plastic off so we can swatch them. Okay, plastic is off. I kind of feel like I shouldn't have been sent both of these colors. I feel like we were probably only supposed to get one, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch them both. Well, as you can see, that is already not in there very good. That's already popping out, so I've got to be very careful with this. This is the Sparkling Rose. Here's what that looks like. It's really pretty. I would not call that a highlighter. This is definitely a blush stick, not a highlighter stick. And then the Metallic Sunrise. That one seems to be in there better. I think I might have gotten this Metallic Sunrise before. I will say though, there's nothing shimmering or metallic about either of them. They shine a little bit, but to call it metallic is a gross over exaggeration. And these are not highlighters. These are blushes, 100%. Like maybe if you have very deep skin that could function as a highlighter, but for most people that's going to be a blush. So description is odd. I'll certainly give them a try. They will not be highlighters on me. They will be blushes, but a little odd. And I could feel the product in this one bouncing back and forth. It's not stuck in very well. So that's interesting. That one's a little weird to me. It is what it is, but it's a little weird. In conclusion, let's take a look at what we got. Happy to get a sunscreen. This is a very tiny one, but it does say it's only worth $5, so not mad about that. Finally, the most expensive item, and also from Earth Harbor, is something I can use. Earth Harbor products I genuinely am really interested in, but there's always something fragrant, so when I can actually get around to using one, I'm really pleased about it. A soap. It's not that exciting. It's valued correctly, but it's not that exciting. And then this is rolling away. I kind of feel like I wasn't supposed to get 2 of these. I'm gonna have to look into that. If you guys get the box, let me know if you got 2 or if this was a fluke. But I like getting makeup products, but the description is wrong and how they're advertised feels wrong. So I'm not holding my breath on these being great personally. So I would say like the box is okay. I'm gonna give it a B-. There are things in here I will absolutely be using, but some of them give me pause. The size of this is tiny. Soap is not exciting. These products, I'm just not confident in how they're gonna operate. Yeah. Overall, honestly, not terrible, but could be better. I'd love to know what you guys think. If you got this box, let me know down below. Did you get 2 of those highlighter sticks? And just let me know what you thought of my box. You can give the video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to stick around for a while. Check out Amandaphenomenon.com for some recent blog posts. And I will talk to you all later. Bye.